Okay, large. Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna be chasing this fatty tornado right here. It's huge. Drill bit. That is one strange looking drill bit. But yeah, that is definitely a drill bit. But it's huge though. Oh, it just got bigger. Stovepipe. It's gonna hit. Oh, I've got the probe set up. I've got the car set up. Okay, okay. The car's ready to be probed. I need to buy my probe now. Oh, looks. I need to get back in my car. Crap! I keep going off course. Okay, so we can throw my car into it. Oh yeah, it's dying. No, but like, it's actually dying. Yeah, it is. It just got smaller. I watched it. It went from red TVS to orange TVS. I can get in front of it. Hurry up fast. Get in! Spawn it. Oh, okay, probe's gone. Okay, we're inside of it. What? Oh, wind speeds are almost 200. If we were in the dock too, we would have died. RJ, try and get out. Where's your car? Wait, where? Oh, I see it too. I can see it all the way out there. Okay, we can get out now. Dude, I got about $490. $4,900. Okay. Mine was 188. No! We're trying to spawn this. Trying to spawn the Chevrolet Tahoe. New storm. Oh. Very big hook. Small mezzo though, Very small mezzo. Oh, okay, we gotta turn back. Actually, no, if we just go straight down. We're like 115. Yeah, if I'm in my car. Okay, I can't be in my car. I can't look in my car. That's what I'm doing. It's forcing my camera. I know where to stop. It's at the intersection. Oh, it's turning just a little bit, so if I go to the intersection and turn left, I'll be fine. No, right. Why? Why? Right? Okay, place it now. Place it now. No, place the car down. No, my pro! Okay. Deploy fast. I'm gonna get in the back of the car to experience it. Watch the cars. Watch the car. I'm watching the car. Oh yeah, wind speeds are starting. Car's fine. Okay, it's gone. Yep, it's gone. Whee! It's a helicopter. I am RJ, I think we're dead. Yeah, 1 second. Well, that would have been hilarious. Okay, where's my car? The green field? I don't see it. I think oh wait, I forgot I was still recording. No, because the mesonet sticks out. I know it does. The mesonet sticks out. Actually, the car sticks out pretty far. I think it still has it. I think the tornado still has it. Imagine it's just in outer space and it just hits hits one of us in the head. What? Okay. Bye-bye.